Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and today in this screencast, we will learn a quick and awesome trick of sort and filter. And on that trick, we will learn how we can reverse the columns of our database. As you aware, or if you have observed in many ERP softwares, there is a report generating system which fetches the reports of the current month data based a rolling report on previous months. So in a similar way, today I came across with a report which shows me the last current available data in the system with the corresponding of their previous months, and it gives me an outcome of like the August in the first column, and then uh, July and June and May relatively following these months. So after fetching that report from an Oracle ERP software, now I need to make an analysis on Microsoft Excel. But for that, I need to basically uh, have a sequence of for my monthly data. Like I want Jan to be start from my first column and relatively goes like Feb, March, and April, and so on. So there is a little neat and clean trick of sort and filter feature which Excel has provided us. So I will discuss with you that for this we will require a helper row, and we will generate a series of numbers to all these months, and on that basis we will reverse these columns. So as you know that August is the 8th month of the year calendar, all in 12 months. So I will write 8 on top of the August, and for generating a series I will write a simple formula that this 8 will minus 8 C1 minus 1, so it will less uh, minus 1 with the current month data, and I will copy this formula till the month of Jan. So it will generate a series of 8 till 1 after minusing from every cell. Okay, so I generated a series from 1 till 8, and as you know that Jan is the first month and Feb is the second month, and on these helper row I will quickly sort and filter and reverse my columns. So for the next step, you have to select this data, the entire data of your columns, monthly columns, and then click on sort and filter option. This is located at home ribbon, and click on custom sort. When you click on custom sort, a window will open, and here you have a button of options. Click on options, and by default you will see that your Excel has been default selected sort top to bottom option. So instead of this option, you have to click on sort left to right option and press OK. And on sort by, we will select the row number 1, because we will basically uh, reverse the column based on the series which we have created on the helper row, and we will select order smallest to largest, so that the smallest value in this row is 1, and this will basically reversing in this data and will move to August instead of Jan. So we will select row 1 because row 1 contains the series and smallest to largest, and then press OK. As soon as you press OK, and now you can see that it changes its position of the columns, and now I can see easily that Jan is coming on the first column, and relatively Feb on second, March on third, and April, and so on. And you after applying this sort and filter trick, you will delete the above series you have generated, because it will no longer useful for you. So press delete, and now you can see that we have just reversed the columns based on sort and filter trick. Thank you.